Hello everyone, welcome, thank you for joining me today. In this video, I want to show you guys this premium passport holder that you might be of interest. Alright, here we go. Let me show you a quick 360 of the passport holder. Take a look at that texture of this top grain leather. It stands out and it looks pretty nice. This premium leather feels very comfortable and soft while holding in your hands. Over here in this corner we have a Z stamp logo for ZITAHLI. Now let's open up this passport holder. And inside this passport holder it can comfortably hold 11 cards, 2 passports, SIM card and memory cards, and also some cash. This is what the inside looks like, a nice interior design. In addition, this premium leather passport holder has advanced RFID technology that is incorporated to protect your personal information, and it's a good feature to have, especially when you are traveling out of the country. This holder has a magnetic clasp. It's a great addition to its sleek design. This passport holder is so handy and functional. It can even act as a personal wallet. When having so many things inside, passport, 11 cards, and some cash, it doesn't feel too bulky.